Thank you for joining us today again. We'll be continuing from step 3. The step 3 is talking, actually step 4 today, the mole and the Avogadro's number. So question 1, what is a mole in chemistry? Is it a type of chemical reaction? Is it a small burrowing mammal? Is it a type of measurement for the amount of substance, or is a unit measuring the amount of substance containing as many entities, atoms, molecules, ions, etc. as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12? This is the answer number D. So a mole in chemistry actually is a number. So a certain fixed number, like when you say you have a pair of something, so you mean 2, you have dozen, you mean 12. When you say a mole, you have a certain number. This actually is a very big number. It's almost 6.02 and 23 zeros. So this is a number, and the amount of substance in this mole is the same as there in 12 grams of 12 carbons or carbon 12 atom. This number exactly is equal to something called Avogadro's number, which is the number of entities as one mole of a substance. It's a very big number. So in terms of atoms, what does a mole of helium represent? It represents the number of helium atoms in approximately 4 grams of helium, because this is the molar mass, and how we will know that from the periodic table. So I'll see that the atomic mass of helium is 4, so a mole of helium contains 4 grams content of atoms. And what is the molar mass of a substance? It is the mass of 1 mole of the substance. It's usually expressed in grams per mole. If the atomic mass of helium is approximately 4 atomic mass units, what is its molar mass? The molar mass will be 4 grams per mole. And how did we know that? We know it from the periodic table. How many atoms are there in 2 moles of carbon? If 1 mole of carbon has 6.02 multiplied 10 to the power of 23, then what is in 2 moles? We'll have to multiply this number by 2, so we'll get 1.204 multiplied 10 to the power of 24 atoms in 2 moles of carbon. The atomicity of nitrogen is, atomicity means how many atoms in one molecule. It's N2, so 2 nitrogen atoms, so the atomicity is 2. What about O3? It's O3, so 3 atoms, so atomicity is 3. What about CO2? C, there is a number after C which is 1, so C1, there is 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms, so total 3, so atomicity is 3.